Today, I'm going to show you how to make an iron farm for Minecraft Java Edition. To start, you're going to want to break a hole just like this. You're then going to want to add a double chest here with hoppers going into that double chest. It'll be 9 hoppers in total. You're then going to place blocks just like this. You're going to place an open trapdoor, and then you're going to want to lure a zombie into here. Then break the trapdoor and then place blocks above it just like this. For this next part, you don't have to do it, but you can if you like the design of it. You can go ahead and replace these blocks with glass and then go ahead and place blocks just like this. Next, go ahead and place blocks just like this to make a square, and then alternate between a building block and glass. Then go ahead and place glass here and blocks like this to fill in the corners. Next, go ahead and break these blocks. Place a trapdoor here and open this one, and do the same on the other side. Next, place 3 beds just like that with a torch down below, and then you're going to want to get 3 villagers in here. Next, go back to the front, place stairs right here, and then extend building blocks back 7. So it should come 1 off the back of the building. Next, place walls around the entire building just like this. So it should look like this. Next, go to the side of it and just place slabs like that, and then do the same on the other side. Next, on top of the hoppers, place signs just like this. And then once you have your signs down, place a lava bucket on top of it. And then at the top, place 3 water right here. Next, from each side, turn 8 blocks into path blocks except for the front, and start at the chest and turn 4 blocks into path blocks. Then connect them all. Now all you have to do is open the trapdoor and break this block right here, which will then make the villagers see the zombie and start spawning iron golems. And whenever the iron golem dies, the items will go through the hoppers and into this chest.